Riding a motorcycle is an exhilarating, life-changing experience, but unfortunately statistics show that riding a motorcycle or scooter can be more dangerous than driving any other vehicle. Unfortunately, a lot of riders tend to blame other motorists, but even if it was the case, it doesn't help you if you end up in hospital. So whilst the most common types of motorcycle crashes involve another vehicle, the best way to avoid such a crash is to act as though every other motorist around you isn't paying attention. It means slowing down in heavy traffic areas, waiting to see the whites of motorists' eyes before assuming they have the right of way, and keeping a buffer from other traffic. And like other common crashes, the rider has to take responsibility for their own safety and not just hope that other motorists see them and that the road infrastructure is safe for their use. In crashes involving other vehicles, the most common are called smidsy crashes, otherwise known as, "Sorry mate, I didn't see you." It's no use complaining about how badly educated drivers are and how unaware they are of motorcyclists. Riders should be more proactive and more visible to drivers. In some cases, that can mean wearing brightly coloured clothing, moving around in your lane to attract attention, avoiding riding in a blind spot, and perhaps flashing headlights and beeping the horn to attract attention. Many motorcycle accidents happen at intersections, often where a car drives out in front of a motorcycle. It is difficult for drivers to judge the distance of an oncoming motorcycle as they're small compared to a car. Riders should slow down if they see a car stop at a side street, as drivers tend to pull out thinking they have time, even if they don't. Target fixation is also a cause of many crashes. This is where a rider gets in trouble and immediately fixes their gaze on where they believe they will crash. For example, the rider has entered a corner too fast, so they fix their gaze on where they think they'll run off the road or into an oncoming vehicle. Overcoming target fixation requires the rider to concentrate on where they want to be, not where they think they could end up. Managing your corner entry angle and speed before getting there will help to avoid this, and even if you have a motorcycle license, further rider training at a number of accredited rider training facilities like Riders Academy will help to improve your level of riding skills and confidence, which in turn will increase your level of enjoyment when riding a bike. If you're round a corner and are confronted with a pothole, oil patch, vehicle on the wrong side of the road, or some type of animal, good rider training will teach you how to quickly stand up or slow down your bike. Choosing the right bike for you can also play a big part in rider safety. Just because you've saved up and you can afford the biggest, most powerful and loudest bike on the market doesn't necessarily mean you'll enjoy it the most, not to mention as safe as something more suited to you. Basic things such as tyre pressures and chain tension can have a dramatic effect on how your bike handles and stops. The best way to avoid an accident is to stop before you hit an object, or at least slow down substantially, and that means having good brakes. Most modern sports bikes come with multi-piston calipers and large dual discs up front, but these brakes are only as good as the quality of the pads fitted, so include a check of the thickness and condition of the brake pads before each ride. Bendix, who are famous for their vehicle brakes, also make brake pads for motorcycles, producing both sintered and ceramic compounds. Both have low dust, noise and wear characteristics. Bendix Moto SRT sintered brakes are best suited for highway riding and bigger motorcycles, while Ultimate Plus ceramic pads have increased feel at low and moderate speeds and are most suited to lighter and more powerful motorbikes. For more information, visit bendixmoto.com.au.
Bendix Moto. Ride with confidence.